Hello, I'm Kim. Welcome to my channel, Finding My Muse. I'm unboxing The Earth Laughs in Flowers, a subscription box by the June Mermaid's Trove. I've put a link in my description box below. I believe this one is $88 plus shipping. From here on out, there will be spoilers, so if you don't want to know, then hit the pause and come back after you've received your box. First, a pretty purple envelope. With some flower stickers, a tarot card, and some notes. This card is from the Muse Tarot by Chris Ann. You know, it's one of my favorite decks. I love it. Next, a flower crown that lights up. I love this. How fun is this? I'm going to a retreat tomorrow and I'm going to take this with me. Next, a bouquet of flowers and what's become a signature of the Treasure Trove boxes, a little ring. This one in rose gold with a red rose on it. So sweet. Next, this little yellow package. It's a sparkly votive candle with sweet little real pressed flowers. Ooh, and it smells so good. This is so sweet. Next, it's a little vial of oil, and in the paperwork, it says that it is made by solar infusion of herbs from the Botanical Bliss Blend. And a spray bottle of flower water. This has rose and jasmine water with essential oils of ylang ylang, kumquat, bergamot, and jasmine. It smells really good. Isis pays such good attention to detail. All of these items are taped up or wrapped up so that they don't spill or leak. I really appreciate that. And this little jar is the Botanical Bliss Blend with passion flower, blue lotus, rose, calendula, cornflower, raspberry leaf, mugwort, and other herbs. It smells really, really good. Next, in this little pink bag, it's a bottle of flower essence called Laughter for Your Soul. It has zinnia, cantu, wingthorn rose. I think I need to take this with me on my retreat. There's a few more things in the box, so let me go ahead and pull those out. A packet of seeds, Fairy Tale Flowers Mix by Eden Brothers. And in this red bag, we have washi tape, which I love, and apologies on not being in frame here. I was so excited I forgot I was recording. but also in the red bag are a couple of cubes of 4 Roses incense. And in this little green bag, a pack of violet mints. There was also a keychain with some flowers in resin that I apologize for not getting a good shot of. And in the little yellow package is a carved rose lepidolite. Lepidolite is known as the grandmother stone for its nourishing and calming energy. Two more packages. This one with a sweetgrass braid intertwined with a lilac rose. Oh my, look at this, a flower medicine oracle deck. I was literally just thinking that I wished I had a spring feeling deck to take with me on my retreat, and 5 minutes later this box was delivered. We'll come back to this in a minute. And in the final package, a diamond painting kit. I have never heard of this, and I've been crafting and arting for years. I am so intrigued. Okay, let's get back to the star of this box, the Flower Medicine Oracle deck by Kathy Nichols. This is a stunning deck. I love the art so much. It's just beautiful. The deck has 48 cards. It has gilded edges. It's a nice matte cardstock. This is not a mass market deck. It's really, really pretty. I love her art style. Look at this. So 48 different flowers, and each with a meaning. I really was looking for something like this to bring on my retreat, and I'm so glad that it came. This is just a quick flip through so that you can see all the cards in the deck. Look at that daisy, that dandelion, the echinacea. I just love this. This is the kind of art I like to make myself. Oh, that iris. It's gorgeous. Lily of the Valley. Okay, let's do a reading. So I'm going to just shuffle pretty loosely and lay them out and just intuitively pick a card, and the card I draw is for all of us. So if you are watching this video, let's see what card and what message you should focus on today. Iris, was one of the ones that really caught my attention. Okay, Iris, the meaning is wisdom, poise, good judgment, and clear thinking, research and experience. And the underlying energies card is carnation. Mother, nurture and care for another and they will bloom. Tend the garden of the world and it will tend you. Well, that's certainly true. Thanks for joining me as I unboxed this wonderful offering from June Mermaid's Treasure Trove. Looking forward to see you on my next video. Bye!